So Mother's Day is coming up, and I thought, what would be a good way to help our mothers get better? And the best way of doing it is to help them change their diet in a slight way, okay? Nothing severe. You want them always to have a breakfast meal. It could be any kind of mixed fruit. It doesn't matter what it is. It's better than any kind of starch or protein. It's going to improve their health immensely. And then lunchtime, you want to encourage them to have some kind of salad. And even if it's not 100% raw, provided it's not animal-based products, and then she's going to do very well. And dinner, you can have some cooked vegan food. This is going to keep your mother on the healthy side. And if for any reason she doesn't want to change her dinner, she prefers to eat the old way, she's still going to make great gains with the change in the diet from the breakfast to the lunch. And the herbs that your mother should use would be the Fabulous Five at the very least. Okay, and this is going to support her kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels, even when she's uncooked. And you can give your mother a gift of my book here. Okay, How to Heal Yourself Even When They Say You Can't. This book is very simple. It explains the whole process of getting the human body better. I wrote it to the level that even a 7-year-old can read it, okay? And all mothers deserve this. So this is what I would give my mother, okay, which I have already, and these basic herbs, and to put her on the right path without it actually being very taxing to herself, mentally and physically. So if you're interested in that, make sure you grab the copy of the book and the Fabulous Five using the link below, and give your mom a good gift for Mother's Day, a new direction in her health, in the way she eats. And you see, she'll always be thanking you in the end.